The Spinrite Yarn Factory is an artisan's delight, and with their winter blowout sale on from February 5th through the 29th, you've just got to go check it out. Get inspired with all of your favorite yarn brands in store and featuring Peyton's Croy sock yarn, regularly $9.99, on sale for $5.49 each. Create endless items with Peyton's Classic Wool, regularly $10.99, now just $6.74 each for 100% premium wool yarn. And Peyton's Highland Bulky Yarn is the perfect trendy chunky wool blend, regularly $8.99, on sale for $5.59 each. Get inspired with the winter blowout sale at Spinrite Yarn Factory, and be sure to follow them on Facebook for all of the latest deals and brands. Carrying your go-to favorites and your soon-to-be favorite brands online at yarnfactoryoutlet.com, on Facebook, and in person at the Spinrite Yarn Factory, 230 Elma Street West, Listowel.